2016 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.